Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yellow, if you want to stand out from the competition. Red, if you're a fan of previous red-colored iPhones. Green, if you want something completely new and beautiful. Purple, if you want an aesthetically pleasing and awesome experience.
Let's help you make your mark.
Which iPhone 11 model is best? Having tested all three new iPhones, it's clear that the iPhone 11 Pro Max was the best iPhone you can buy at the time and one of the best phones overall, thanks to its expansive screen and long battery life.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to play it safe, go with the black option. If you're tired of the black color, pick white. If you want to stand out and try the best new color for this iPhone, you can't really go wrong with the new purple color. If you want something quaint and elegant, go with the green option.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Apple has offered a black option of every iPhone it's made so far, so they're clearly popular. It's the classic choice, and relatively easy to hide any marks or scratches, and you probably won't have your color choice after a few months. Plus, you always have the option to get a colorful case if you're feeling fun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.